guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of mine. For today's video, I am going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial using all E.L.F products. This video has been super long awaited. I feel like it's been such a long time since I told you guys I was gonna do this video. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you did. On here you guys will find different kinds of videos. I do mommy videos, cleaning videos, a lot of vlogs, and I'm trying to incorporate a little bit of makeup ones. So if you guys like watching family videos, family vlogs, then my channel's where it's at. So if you guys want to see how to get this look with super affordable but really good makeup, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. You guys know that it took me forever, so I'm not gonna sit here and like talk about anything. We're just gonna jump right into everything. So these are some products. Don't mind this that's going on. I have really sensitive skin and I've been really itchy because I just finished cleaning and like some of the products, whatever. So alright, so the first thing that I always start off with is, this is just like a basic moisturizer, and it's something that I always do before I like start my makeup. So I always use this Nivea soft refreshing soft moisturizing cream, and for some reason my face has been super dry recently, so I make sure that I put this on in the morning, at night, before bed, right after a shower and stuff, just to keep my face moisturized. So I'm gonna let that kind of sink into my skin a little bit before I jump into the actual primer. So right here I have the E.L.F poreless face primer. Since I do have larger pores, I'm going to be using this one around my nose and my chin area. So if I'm looking this way, it's because I've got my mirror right here. So I'm just gonna use about that much. I hope that's enough. And I'm going to just put this without the hair on my nose and my chin. Wow, this feels super good. It feels like the Benefit, what is this called? The Professional. It's that same exact consistency. Like, I'm really impressed with this. It feels so good. I love it. I want to put it all over my face. And this is the foundation that I've heard so many people talk about, that it's super good, that if you're gonna get any E.L.F foundation, to get the one in the glass bottle. And I think this was $6. I bought this so long ago I don't even remember how much it costs. But this just says to apply generously 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply at least every 2 hours. So I don't know if it's gonna be like full coverage or not, just because it says to reapply it in 2 hours. This is in the shade Porcelain, so I'm pretty sure that it's going to be a little bit too light for me. I'm just going to put 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand like that. About that much. And I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush. So this is what half of my face looks like with it, and I use basically the whole 2 pumps. I would say the color isn't that bad at all. Like, it matches pretty good because my face is red compared to like my neck and stuff, but the color's really good, and I got it in the shade Porcelain. So I thought this was gonna be super light, but the color's fine. I also thought it was gonna be very light coverage. It's like a very light foundation, but the coverage is there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this side of my face. I do have a red dry patch here. Let's see if it covers this redness here, and I'm gonna use another 2 pumps of this. Alright, so that is what it looks like all put on. I feel like it covered this patch really good, and I still had some foundation left over. So you might need like a pump and a half if your face is as big as mine. For the most part, I'm loving it. It is on the dewier side, I feel. It does have a little bit of a like glow to it, but it's a very subtle glow. So for the concealer, I don't know what this is called. It's just the concealer with the white cap, and I got mine in the shade Light Beige. And I'm going to put this on my under eyes. That is almost non-existent. It like blends right in. So I feel like this is going to be like a concealer that's just gonna add a little bit more coverage, not so much gonna lighten the areas that you want to be lightened. And then for my under eye powder, I did pick up this HD under eye setting powder in the shade Sheer. It is freaking teeny tiny. So we'll see how this little guy works. Maybe you don't need a lot of it. Maybe I am gonna use all of it. I have no idea. Since it does say that it's HD, I don't know if this is a good little powder for you to put if you're gonna be taking pictures with flash or anything. Because I know when you use products that are HD, you do get that flashback if you use flash in your photos, especially if it's at nighttime. So it just looks like this. Ah! I just dropped some. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in. It's gonna take me forever. I usually always set my eyelids with the same powder that I go in with on my under eyes. So I'm trying to do the same thing, but not working because the little thing is so little. So now for my powder, I'm gonna be using the E.L.F. translucent mattifying. So I'm gonna it does come with a little spongy thing, but I'm just gonna set my face. Let's see if this will keep me matte throughout the day. Alright, and then to bronze up my skin, I'm gonna go in with this palette. It's crazy because both of these palettes are called St. Lucia. It looks like it actually has a blush tone and a dark bronzer tone. And this one is called St. Lucia, but so is this one. And this one just has like a highlighter shade and a lighter bronzer shade compared to this one. So if you look at them side by side, they don't look anything the same. I'm just gonna work with both of these and I'm gonna see what I can come up with. So I'm gonna go in with the lighter color and I'm gonna just try to bronze up my skin with this one first. Oh, but this is actually really pretty. And then I'll go in with the darker one to try to contour with. I might have underestimated the size of brush I used. And then I'm gonna go in with another brush with the darker shade just to try to bronze up a little bit. Now I'm going to jump into my eyeballs. If you guys have been watching my videos for the longest time, you guys would know that I've been using the E.L.F. eyelid primer forever. Like since the very beginning, since day one, this has been the best. And I find it very comparable to the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. It does have the exact same consistency and I actually like this one better, and this is only $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with this. And for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette, and this is the Summer Breeze one. I'm gonna use these colors here. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do yet. I'm just going to kind of wing it. I will be showing you guys what shades I'm gonna use in case you guys want to go out and purchase this palette. I think this was $10. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this white one, and I'm going to just and I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelid. Hey, mommy.
Mira. Look at where she's standing. Come here.
Here, where is it? Here, mama, you can play with this. Alright, and then the next shade I'm gonna go in with, oh, I don't know if I should go in with this one, because I kind of want to use like these shades right here. I guess I'm gonna start off with this one and then jump into this one. And I'm going to just put this in my crease. See how these shadows are super pigmented? They're so good. I love E.L.F. eyeshadow. Alright, so I think that's a pretty good transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with this more mustardy brown color. It's not even like a mustard color. It's just like a darker tannish color, if that makes sense. Using the same brush. But I'm going to put this more into the crease. So I'm going to close my eye and not drag it as far up. Just keep it down into the crease. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the color right next to it. This one, and I'm going to put this all over my lid with a flat shader brush. Going in with a thinner brush that looks like this. I'm gonna blend the lid shade into the crease. Like you guys can see the harsh line right there. I'm gonna grab the same color and I'm just gonna blend those two together. And the brushes that I'm using are from Sonia Kashuk, and you can buy these brushes either online or at Target. So you see how that blended into the crease, and if you want to blend in just a little bit more, you can go in with this shade that we went in with in the first brush and just blend on top also, and that'll help blend everything out even more. I'm going to use the same colors on my lower lash line, using the lighter shade and then using the more purpley shade or like pinker shade closest to your lash line. And then the eyeliner I purchased is just this black one. I kind of wish I would have gotten brown. Well, this eyeliner is pretty good, so I'm pretty impressed. I like this eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my brows. I'll come back to the eyes in a second. I'm gonna use this lock-on liner and brow cream, and I got mine in the shade light brown just because I thought, I don't know, this would be a nice color. So this is just what it looks like, the color. I've never used this. I don't know how it's gonna hold up, so we're just gonna go in and try it out. Oh, it's just super creamy. This is super duper duper creamy. It's like moussey. So I don't know if once it dries it'll look okay. But as far as the color, I'm not hating it. One eyeball done, and then I'm going to put on some mascara. I don't know, this is the Volume Pumping Mascara by E.L.F. And I got mine in the shade black. So this is what it looks like. But I'm just applying mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, and then I'll come back and finish off my face. So I've done everything else. I really like the brow pomade and stuff. I feel like it looks pretty good. The color looks fine too. The mascara is probably my favorite. I just don't remember if it was waterproof or not, but as far as everything else, I really like it. So I'm going to be using the E.L.F. Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I got mine in the shade Wine Tour. It's going to look nice with the eye look, and this is what the wand looks like. It's I don't know what these are called, but it just looks like this. I love it! Wow, you guys, I love this color. I don't know if this was $3 or $1, but I mean, whatever it costs, I'm gonna go get some more. It dried right away. That pretty much does it for this makeup look. The only thing that I did not pick up was, it seems like a highlighter, but I feel like this makeup still looks really good, and it's pretty affordable. Everything, I think I spent like $40 on everything, and you could do so many looks with this eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of it. If you guys want to see more tutorials using this palette or using more like of these products, then let me know and I will do that for you guys. If you guys want to see another one brand makeup tutorial, then let me know so that I can gather my dimes and go out and buy whatever other brand you guys want me to try out. If you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys like super cheap but good makeup, then give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.